Hi, my name is Miriam and I'm a recent global health graduate about to start a job at an NGO called Maternity Foundation based here in Copenhagen, Denmark. And I'm really passionate about increasing youth engagement in political processes and especially health policy processes. In my studies and volunteer activities, I largely focus on digital health, sustainability, as well as on youth participation. And currently I am the youth delegate for Germany to the World Health Assembly, and in this position I try to represent German youth and their voices, and I'm working together with the German Federal Ministry of Health to improve youth participation. And I really feel like youth participation and engagement are vital to ensure fair and equitable as well as needs-based access to health services as well as improved health outcomes. Besides working for the German ministry as the German youth delegate, I'm part of a global network called Young Experts Tech for Health, or Yet4H. There we largely focus on digital health and the interlinkages between technologies, apps, the internet and health outcomes. And we're really envisioning a digital health ecosystem that meaningfully engages young people, caters to their unique needs and challenges, and recognizes them as equal stakeholders and partners. I think that youth are continued to be undervalued in political processes. Our participation in political processes is often seen as expendable or as an additional burden and not as an opportunity to improve mutual understanding or achieve the sustainable development goals and health outcomes. I really feel like youth or young people have a unique perspective and oftentimes lived experiences with healthcare systems and policies. And I really do feel like young people want to see change and want to be included in the process. And I feel like lately there really has been some change on the way. At the World Health Assembly, we have really seen a substantial increase in the youth delegate programs and also the attention showed to the youth delegates and youth organizations. And this shows more and more that government agencies as well as the WHO prioritize youth inputs. I'm really optimistic that this will increase in the future and hopefully make youth engagement even more integral part in events like the World Health Assembly, but also in national health ministries and their meetings, processes, and policies. As the youth delegate, I have a couple of highlights during my role, and one of them was definitely connecting to the different youth and youth organizations in Germany, but also globally, and discussing global health issues together. Getting other people's insights and perspectives into topics ranging from digital health and social determinants to discrimination and equity was really truly amazing, and I'm grateful that people spent their time discussing with me and with each other about what they envision for the future and what healthcare could look like. And another highlight definitely was attending the World Health Assembly in person in Geneva in May, connecting to all the other youth delegates as well as the Canadian youth delegate, and seeing them in action was really amazing. I had the pleasure to listen to a couple of the statements delivered by youth delegates and hear their demands for more climate justice, prioritization of mental health, and social determinants of health. I really believe that young people play a vital role in advancing universal health coverage and the Sustainable Development Goals overall. Universal health coverage means that all people should have access to quality health services and essential medicines without facing financial hardships. And during my time as the youth delegate, I led youth consultations and roundtable discussions on universal health coverage, and youth really advocated for better and sustainable use of the financial resources and prioritization of preventative healthcare services and offers that are part of UHC. It was emphasized that predominantly national financial budgets have to be mobilized, supported through multilateral financing mechanisms. I feel like these perspectives can really be helpful, and youth do have opinions and perspectives on these matters and should and could be taken into consideration when designing and implementing new initiatives and actions.